If you are planning to buy a new construction home, something like this, I will give you some 3 tips that you need to follow or just to think about before pulling the trigger. Number 1 is find a community which is just new or they are just pre-selling. Why? Because first thing, if you are just pre-selling the community, it means like the price is not that high compared that you are going to buy later on. So it means like they are giving so much incentives or buyer incentives, something like you, to buy their property, right? That's number 1. The second one is make sure if you are going to one of this builder or community, ask for buyer incentives. So it means like what they are offering to you as a consumer or a buyer for them to sell the property for you. For example, the closing costs, interest rate, appliances, and such more. The third one is make sure that you have somebody that's helping you to negotiate on your behalf. Don't just go there and you don't know anything. So either you are going to ask something or bring a real estate agent that who could work for you and show your best interest. So if you need more information about this particular community here, let me know. I'll be happy to help you. And I'm super excited to show you this community itself because they are just pre-selling and brand new community. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go check it out. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you quick. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible realtor. I am specializing in new construction here and also relocating in Central Florida or Orlando area with LPT Realty. Let me give you a summary of this Jefferson Model by Lennar, and this starting price of $417,990, right? That's the starting price. This is gonna be 6 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2 car garage, and just over 2,400 square footage. A very nice home for a single family home for 2-story and very spacious as well. So as soon as you come here inside of the home, you will see this beautiful entrance, a tall ceiling there, and also here in the main room, you will have an access to your garage. And also you will have a plenty of space here for your living space area. This is gonna be your main living room area. Your kitchen is here, your dining room, and also your living room as well. This is gonna be your kitchen area. You will have a very nice and very good kitchen space here. You will have a great space for your pantry room. You will have a corner lot for a pantry room here, and also you will have a center island here with a very good countertop which is made by quartz. Very good. And this is gonna be your dining area. You can have or you can fit a good 6 to 8 tables for your dining area there, and this is gonna be your living room area. You can have a very good living room area here. You can fit an L-shaped couch here, as you can see it here, or different couches as much as you want because you have a plenty of space here for your living space area. This is gonna be your bathroom here, or first bathroom here downstairs, a full bathroom here, and also you will have a very good setup here because your first bedroom will be here. This could be your office area or office room or guest room, or it could be your parents' room as well if you're gonna live with your parents, right? Because this is gonna be a first bedroom here downstairs, and across there is gonna be your bathroom with a fully bathroom as well, which is very good setup, right? And this is gonna be your backyard. You can see that this particular backyard, you will have a very good backyard here or a setup. This backyard is about 40 to 60 lot space from your property, so a very good space for your backyard. And now we are heading to the second floor. This particular second floor, this is what you can see, your loft area and the rest of the bedroom. However, while we're doing that, let me tell you about the location of this particular property. The location of this particular property is located in Davenport, a very good place. I live here in Davenport too. That's why I choose in this Davenport area, because the first thing is Davenport is about to boom. We are developing right now. We are not fully developed. There are such more coming up in this particular location itself. There are such more business going on, and also more shops coming up. So right now is the best place to live here and buy a property, because once you buy this property, you will get a big equity in the future, if you know what I'm trying to say. So let me talk about the location and also the point of interest, what you can see if you start living in this particular location, right? So number one is the MCO airport. If you're gonna live in this property or this location, we are not so far from the I-4, which is connected to the airport, and the airport here from this particular community is about 37 minutes, 32 miles. Imagine how close that will be. Almost half an hour, or if there's a traffic or rush hour, probably it will take you to 40 minutes, 45, probably 50 minutes is the max, because you can go to the turnpike, which you have to pay toll, which is a bit quicker for you to get to the airport. That is a very good one. The next one is the downtown Orlando. The downtown Orlando here is about 45 minutes, 33 miles, right? So if you need to go to center or downtown Orlando to do a lot of stuff, to eat to the restaurant or visit some friends or go to the main hospital and such more, you are not that far. 45 minutes is very good place to drive from this particular location. The next one is the Advent Health Hospital. As I mentioned earlier, this particular community is about to develop. Advent Health Hospital is just about 5 minutes, 1.2 miles away, just around the corner from this particular community itself. And also this Advent Health Hospital is one of the main hospital here in Central Florida or Orlando area, especially in the Polk County, which is the Davenport located at. A very good convenient, especially if you're gonna be working in the hospital. If you are a nurse or a doctor, you can transfer here your job and just live about 5 minutes away from your job. How good was that, right? So the next one I would like to talk about here, the Posner Village. If you don't know about the Posner Village, this is the main shopping area here in Davenport, where you can get Ross, you can get Marshall, you can find Target, and all branded company where you can buy and shop clothes and also food shopping, right, in this particular area. The BJ's Wholesale Club is here as well. So in the Posner Park, and this particular Posner Village or Posner Park is about 13 minutes, which is 4.3 miles away from the community itself. How close that was, right? Very convenient. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the beach. Is the closest beach or the one of the best beach here in Florida, which is the Clearwater Beach. Right? If you've never been to the Clearwater, you better check it out. It's a very good beach around here in Central Florida or in Orlando area or in Hull, Florida. This is about 2 hours away, 85 miles. So you are not too close, but you are not too far. 2 hours driving to the beach is doable. So it's a good thing as well, because if you are very close to the beach, you probably are prone to hurricane, flood, and also some sinkhole because you are too close to the ocean or too close to the water, which is I very recommend that to live which is not too close to the water, so you don't have to be worried in the future what could happen or what could cause living super close to the beach, right? So the next one that I'd like to talk about here is the Disney World. So if you like a Disney lover, if you have kids, you have family, the Disney is just about 22 minutes away, which is 14 miles from this particular community. Imagine to be close to Disney World, right? 22 minutes is very close. Very good one if you want to work to Disney. Here you go, 22 minutes from this community is not too bad at all, right? And the last one I would like to talk about here is the Polk State College. This is about 8 minutes, 3 miles away from the community. The Polk State College is a brand new college which will be open by next year, 2026, and a very good opportunity if you have a college kid or a college adult that who will need to go to college, right? So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful. If you stay in this video until this end, comment new home so that I could see how many people who watch this video until this end. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Bye. Bye. This one. Bye.